most used feature of many of our smartphones. This video is the first in a 5-part series, especially for you to get the most out of your camera. We're starting off simple and looking at the different buttons and gestures you can use to snap a pic. Of course you know that this big white button can capture an image, but did you know you can also do this using your volume button? Really useful for both traditional photos and when you flip to your front camera to take a selfie. Smartphones seem to get larger every year, and if like me your hands have stayed the same size and are a little on the small side, selfies can be tricky. This is the ideal time to use the timer and create a short delay before the shutter goes off. Most phones have a few timer options, so try a longer one when giving everyone time to perfect their pose for a group shot. Don't abandon the original capture button just yet, especially if you're yet to discover burst shots. Press and hold the button instead of tapping to take lots of photos at the same time. This is great if you're trying to capture a moving object, and then you'll have lots of shots to choose from. Make sure to share this video with any newbie photographers in your family, and stay tuned for the rest of this series where we'll be getting super creative with our cameras.